Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Let's solve this question together. Now look at what we are given. We are given 1 divided by what? X root of what? 9 plus 1 divided by what? X root of 3 equals to 3. We are asked to look for the value of x. Okay? Now I want you to understand something very interesting in this video. Okay? That we are having 1 divided by x root of 9. Wow. Now, do you know that if you have into 1 to the power of x, 1 to the power of x is equals to 1. 1 to the power of x is equals to 1. Whatever thing else will be, it must actually give us 1, because even if s is 0, remember that anything raised to the power of 0 is 1. So whatever thing else will be here is what? Is 1. So the same application will apply here. That this one we are seeing, we can also write it as what? The x root of what? X root of 1 is still 1. X root of 1 is still 1, because into 1 to the power of what? 1 divided by x is equals to what? 1. Because we know that here 1 divided by x, 1 divided by 1 is 1, and 1 to the power of 1 will give us 1. What if x is 0? Remember that 1 divided by 0 is what? Is infinity. Right? Now, but x root of 1 must actually give us what? 1. X root of 1 is 1. Remember that square root of 1 is still 1. Root 1 is still 1. Okay? Then, divided by what? Divided by x root of what? X root of 9. Then plus what? Plus x root of what? X root of 1 divided by what? X root of what? 3. All this equals to what? 3. Don't forget that x root of 1 is still 1. Okay? So we are just writing it because there's some amazing thing we are going to do here. Now, do you know that we can also write this as this 9 as what? This is x root of what? 1. Okay, we can also write it as what? Into 1 divided by 9, all to the power of what? 1 over what? X. By obeying these properties, right? Properties of indices. Okay? Because if we have what? If we have into a divided by b, here is to the power of n and here is to the power of n. Now all this equals to what? This is equals to into a divided by b all to the power of n. This is properties of indices, right? Now then plus into 1 divided by 3 all to the power of what? 1 over x equals to what? 3. Wow, this is amazing. Now we can also put this 3 in this index form. This 9 index form. So we can into 1 to the power of 2 is still 1, divided by 3 to the power of 2 is 9, all to the power of 1 over s plus what? Into 1 divided by 3 all to the power of what? 1 over x equals to what? 3. Now, we can see that this power you are seeing here is like this end that you are seeing here. They are the same. So we can do something very amazing here. We can write that this is bracket into what? 1 over 3 all to the power of 2, then multiply by all to the power of 1 over what? S, plus into 1 over 3 all to the power of 1 over s equals to what? 3. Wow, this is amazing, right? Now I can bring this 1 over s into here and bring this 2 outside, because 1 over s multiplied by 2 is equals to 2 multiplied by 1 over x. So we can write it as what? Into, okay, 1 over 3 all to the power of what? 1 over s, okay, all to the power of what? 2. It's the same thing, right? Now we can remove this from here, because we can remove this thing from here. Okay, then plus what? Plus into 1 divided by what? Plus 1 divided by 3 all to the power of what? 1 over s equals to what? 3. Now you can see that something is common. You can see that let 1 over 3 all to the power of 1 over s equals to p. So this now becomes what? P squared plus p equals to what? 3. Let's subtract 3 from both sides so we can have a very beautiful quadratic equation. So this is what? P squared plus p minus 3 equals to what? 0. Now our question here is, can this question be factorized? Can this question be factorized? No. Because we know that the product of root here is minus 3. What are the factors of 3? Factors of 3 are numbers that divide exactly without remainder. 1 and 3 is a factor of itself. But we can use formula method to solve this. Then our a is equals to 1, comma b is equals to 1, and our c is equals to minus what? 3. It means that our p is equals to minus b plus minus the square root of what? B square minus 4ac divided by what? 2a. This is the formula of quadratic what? Quadratic equation. Now we can solve for the value of what? We can solve for the value of what? P from here. Okay? And solve for the value of what? P. But remember, you are not asked to solve for P. We are asked what is the value of X. Now from this, our P is equals to what? Minus B. That means minus 1 plus minus square root of what? B square, which is 1 square. Okay, minus 4 into 1 into what? Into minus what? 3 divided by what? 2. So our N is equals to minus 1 plus minus the square root of what? 1 plus what? 1 plus 12 divided by what? 2. Because minus 1 times 1 is minus 4. Minus 4 times minus 3 is 12. Because minus times minus is positive. So our P is equals to minus 1 plus minus 4 root what? 13 divided by what? 2. It means that P is equals to root 13 minus 1 divided by 2. Or P is equals to minus root 13 minus 1 divided by what? 2. These are the values of P. But we are not asked to solve P. We are asked that what is the value of what? X. Now let's recall. Okay, now we can do something here. All right, let's recall that into 1 over what? 3 or 3 power 1 over s is equals to P. But we are getting that this is P and this is P. So that means into 1 over 3 to the power of 1 over s is equals to root 13 minus 1 divided by what? 2. So what are we going to do here so that I can have the value of x? Let's take log of both sides. So log of what? Log. Let me clean this from here. These are values of, let me say p is equals to minus root 13 minus 1 divided by 2, or p is equals to root 13 minus 1 divided by 2. So we can clean this from here and solve for the value of x from here. Okay? Okay. That means from here, that means log of what? Log into 1 over 3 to the power of what? 1 over s is equals to log what? Log into root what? Root 13 minus 1 divided by what? 2. Okay. So this power can also go back as 1 over x log what? Log into 1 over 3 equals to log what? Log into root what? Root 3 root 13 minus 1 divided by 2. So if we divide this by log what? Log 1 over 3 and divide the whole of this by what? Log 1 over 3. Now this will cancel out this. So we left with what? 1 divided by s equals to what? Log of what? Log of root what? 13 minus 1 divided by 2 divided by what? Log what? Log 1 over what? 3. But we are not still getting the value of x. Now what are we going to do? Now what we are going to do, we can raise this x, this 1 over x as 1 to the power of x to the power minus 1. Let's do that quickly. So we can remove this from here. Okay. So we can raise this as what? Do you know that 1 over s is equals to s to the power minus 1 by properties of indices? That means s to the power minus 1 is equals to log of what? Log of into root 13 minus 1 divided by 2 divided by log 1 over what? 3. Now if we multiply both sides, if we multiply both power by minus 1, so that means s will be equals to into log what? Log into root what? 13 minus 1 divided by 2 divided by what? Log what? Log 1 over 3 all to the power what? Minus 1. Okay. Now this is the value of x. This is the value of x, or you can put it either way, 1 over this, but this is the value of x. Now this is the value of x, 1. Then you can also use the value of p that have root what? Minus root p minus root 13 minus 1 divided by what? 2 to solve for the value of x. Now if you simplify this, you have the value of what? X. Can you see how simple and interesting it is? So please, if you find it interesting, don't hesitate. You want to like, comment, and also share it with your loved ones so others will learn from it. Please, if you're not subscribed, consider to subscribe to this channel so that anytime you do